Hello everyone, today's I am discuss 6 reasons why unstructured data is so important to a good retention plan. Gartner says that as much as 80% of business information is in an unstructured data form. This includes customer data that contact center agents write in their notes, surveys, emails, chats, and web forms. Structured customer data can show you how many customers might cancel. But unstructured data can show you what your customers want, need, expect, and why they might cancel. Without these insights, your efforts to keep customers may have gaps in them, and with more competition and higher customer expectations, you may be a long way behind. Here are 6 ways that unstructured data help customer retention strategies. 1. Because you can see why your customers might leave you, this is a good thing. Survey-based customer feedback is still a good idea. If so, it's not enough because it only has a few customers. This sample size isn't representative of your whole customer base. Another thing that doesn't work is that it doesn't figure out what your customers want and why they're ending their relationship with your brand. 2. It allows you to find out about churn risk early and stop it in its tracks. There is a good chance that customer problems that go unanswered for any length of time could lead to churn. Unstructured text data helps you to lessen the chance of this happening. Applying text analytics to call center notes can show how customers feel, how much effort they put in, and how risky their interactions are. It can also read complicated behavior patterns that show that someone might leave. 3. It lets you only deal with the risks that can be seen. How many success stories have you heard that say 100% of the people who came to them stayed? In this case, there can never be any attrition because that is impossible. There will be some churn. For example, trying to keep a customer who moves to a place where you can't serve them isn't possible. 4. It runs targeted marketing and customer retention campaigns. Recurring revenue businesses can have tens of thousands or even 1 million or more customers. This means that a one-size-fits-all way to keep people from leaving isn't going to work. Having a customer-level understanding would be great. Take agent notes and add other customer data, like demographics, surveys, and transaction history. And you can think about how to build a powerful, unified intelligence about behavioral patterns, risk signals, and churn reasons for different customer groups. 5. It can help you beat your competitors. Competition grows every day, and so does the number of options your customers have. Customers often talk about your competitors when they talk to service agents. When you apply name entity recognition to text notes, you can quickly find these names and figure out what they're offering that you aren't so that you can improve your competitive strategy. 6. The more effort a customer puts in, the more likely they are to leave. Every time you try to do more, the service provider's service gets worse. By looking at your unstructured customer data, like call records, you can figure out what's making customers call again and again. Based on this, you can then fix process gaps that make customers do things they don't need to do.